Hello, my name is Yulia Aliko. I am 43 years old. I am married. I am a high school graduate. I have 5 kids, all boys. And I work in Qatar for 2 years. I serve 5 members of the family, 3 children, 1 daughter, and 2 sons. And I also worked in Malaysia for 2 years. I served 2 members of the family and I took care of an elderly. I do all the household work such as marketing, cooking, cleaning, uh, gardening, and washing the cars. In Qatar, I also took care of 1 dog and 1 cat. And I don't cook because they have their own cook. I also don't do the car washing because they have their own uh, car wash boy. I only do the marketing, cooking, and all the household job. And also now I am here in Manila, applying for a job in Hong Kong, and I do hope that I can find, and I can assure you, if you hire me, I am trustworthy, hardworking, and I love cooking, and I can take care of a baby and elderly. Thank you and have a good day.